Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iPhone iCloud photo syncing for Mac, full guide step by step clearly. To enable iCloud photo syncing for your Mac, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. On your Mac, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, find and click on Apple ID. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once you are signed in, locate the iCloud option in the sidebar. In the iCloud section, check the box next to Photos. Now, open the Photos app on your Mac. In the Photos app, go to the top menu bar and click on Photos. Next, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, click on the iCloud tab. Check the box that says iCloud Photos. This will start uploading your photos to iCloud. If you want to optimize storage on your Mac, choose Optimize Mac Storage. To view your photos on other devices, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled on your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud. Tap on Photos and enable iCloud Photos if it's not already turned on. Now your photos will sync across both your Mac and iPhone. Give it some time for the photos to upload and sync completely. You can check the status of your upload in the Photos app on your Mac. With these steps, you've successfully enabled iCloud photo syncing between your Mac and your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.